Hi everybody, it's Jay here, and today I'm going to be solving a Rubik's Cube in under 2 minutes. So I have the, it turned off. So I have the timer right here. So right here I have the timer. So first I'm going to mix it up. I think this is good enough. So this is a mixed up cube. So I'm going to start the timer, and you guys will be able to see the timer right here and my cube when I'm solving it. So 3, 2, 1. In my next video, guys, if you guys really like this video, I might do a tutorial of how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So, One minute and 13 seconds. Ooh, that was quicker than I thought it would be. So I haven't played with my Rubik's Cube in a long time, so this was not like my fastest time. I used to be really good at it, but I'm really surprised with my time. 1 minute and 13 seconds, guys. I thought it's gonna be taking me like 2 minutes. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.